What is extremely thick stock? Why do you care about it? How do you make it? And what does it do? I'm so glad you asked. Hey, I'm SimplyThick John. I love to tell you about all things related to the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative, which I refer to as IDDSI. Extremely thick stock is just taking vegetable stock or any other stock and thickening it to level 4 extremely thick. Why do we do it? We can do three things. Number one, we can moisten meats and things like that for minced and moist. We do it so we sop up loose liquids, like if you're doing a vegetable and there's liquids leaking out of it, when you use an extremely thick stock in there, it is going to prevent that liquid from leaking out of your minced and moist or your puree. And it also helps lubricate so that you can take meats from a minced state to a puree very easily and very quickly. How is it made? It's very, very simple. In this case, I'm just going to take my 16 ounces of vegetable stock. I'm going to put it into one of my bottles here that I use to dispense this. Once it's done, I like to thicken it right in the bottle so it's nice and easy to use and I don't have to try and force it in there. In this case, I'm going to take one of these bulk packets of SimplyThick, and then I just put that in there. This is perfect for thickening 16 ounces to level 4 extremely thick. And I always just roll it down the packet for convenience and to make sure that I get all of the gel out of there. And then once you have all of your thickening gel in there, basically you just put the lid on, you cover it with your finger, and you give it a couple shakes, and that's all there is to it. And now I have this versatile liquid which I can use for all of those purposes, moistening things, sopping up the loose liquids, and lubricating. So that's extremely thick stock, what it is, how you use it, and why it's important. Please like and follow for more great videos just like this about the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative.